Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your activity in Instagram on Friends tab. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Did Instagram reveal or yourself Instagram activity to your mutual friends? Yes, it should look like it, and you are in serious trouble if you're worried about your privacy. So I've been reading this video. I will show you how to hide your activity on Friends tab on your Instagram. So it's very simple. As you can see in here, on your Reels tab, there's a Friends tab in here. If you tap on that, you can see all your friends' activity, like if they like reels and or comment on reels or repost. You can see all the activity in here, and also they can see all your activity on reels. So to hide your activity is very simple. You can go to your profile. From your profile, you can tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. You can scroll down and you'll find the recent option activity in Friends tab. You can just tap on that. Now, by default, your activity on Friends tab is on, like this. So anyone, your friends, so people that you follow and they're following you back, they can see your activity. Maybe when you comment on reels or like something on reels on Instagram, they can see what you like, what you comment. And if you want to hide it, you can just choose on no one. So no one can see your activity on Instagram reels. It's very simple, right? And also if you if you choose no one, you can also see your friends' activity on the reels. So you can just choose in it. It's very simple, right? So that is how to hide your Reels activity on Instagram Friends tab. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.